The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I'm going to take a look at hacked Google accounts. Now, I have to point out right at the start that the process for recovering a hacked Google account is completely self-service. It is a do-it-yourself process, and I will give you the link to the official resources for this in the video description below. And I ask or I suggest that you only use official resources. If you scroll through this information, you'll see that quite a lot of it relies on you actually having set up recovery and verification options for yourself in advance to this happening. Right at the bottom, you'll see an option to post to the help community for more help. It's not really more help. It is just a way for your fellow users to explain your options to you again. On the right-hand side, you actually have something called the Digital Support Assistant, and you could use it to help you focus your attention on the options available to you. So select My account was hacked, and it'll help you focus on the information that matters. The next page that I'm going to link for you is the tips to complete account recovery. And at the bottom, you'll again see a link to the help community. And just remember, it is a place where you can ask for help with this information. I need to point out that it is a known fact that some hackers apply family link to the Google account post-hacking, and that doesn't change the fact that the recovery process is still self-service. So in other words, there is nothing in addition to the self-service process just because family link has been applied. Having said that, if you own a YouTube channel with your hacked Google account, you may be able to get additional assistance. The first thing that you should do is chat with the hacked channel assistant. And again, it'll pop up on the right-hand side, and you can then drill through by saying channel has suspicious activity, etc., and take it from there. I will also link this particular hijacking chatbot assistant workflow. It's a similar thing, but it results in a form that's submittable. If you are fortunate enough to recover access to your Google account, but your YouTube channel is not recovered, then there is the option here to possibly use this form. And again, I will link that for you. If you don't see this form, it means that you can't use it, but you should be able to use this one anyway. Hopefully that helps you. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.